Ready.
See, it moves fine on that. Moves amazing. They're in the same spot that you have the other one spinning, but flip it around.